What's the meaning of cross-fertilization? Cross-fertilization. Cross-fertilization.
Cross-fertilization. Cross-fertilization. Cross-fertilization refers to the exchange or sharing of ideas, knowledge, or techniques between different fields, disciplines, or cultures. As a result, cross-fertilization can lead to innovation, creativity, and new perspectives that may not have been possible otherwise. For example, in the field of music, cross-fertilization has resulted in the blending of different genres to create new and unique sounds. Similarly, in the world of business, cross-fertilization can lead to the development of new products or services by combining expertise from different departments or industries. Overall, cross-fertilization can help to break down barriers and foster collaboration and progress.